Hello friends, again this is Kumarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to my research page. Okay, so I was telling you about the selection of journal first, right? Like I told you the list, like Jane list and also Springer list, all that, Imago, Shimago, all that I already told you. Now second thing what you have to very carefully think is about the individual factor. Okay, about the individual factor in the sense about the researcher, we have to keep in mind, and then accordingly we have to select the journal. Okay, so second, this point is about the individual factor. When I say I must check whether the journal is relating to the topic what I am going to publish. For instance, I am going to publish an article regarding the consumer relationship management, CRM. So definitely some marketing journals I have to select. So I must see whether it is a marketing journal. Suppose I am finding out about the volatility of stock market during this pandemic, then I should select one finance journal. So I should be very concerned that my topic should be related to that particular. That is the first thing, my individual factor I have to consider. Second thing, all the amount of how much publication amount we have to pay will be specified there itself. This much dollars, $100, $1,000, whatever, they will specify there itself. So we must see that, like whether that amount I can afford, is it affordable for me. So the fees amount I have to check second. Third is I should see whether it is a listed and indexed journal. That is very, very important. It must have some high index, or at least minimum some one index or two or three or four, something should be there. Indexed or not, I have to find out. And the fourth thing is, it is about the turnaround time. Turnaround time is how much time it will take for publisher. They will clearly mention 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 6 months, 2 months, clearly they will specify. So whether that is acceptable for me. If it is 2 months or 1 month, that is okay. But if they say 6 months, 1 year, then like maybe it might not be acceptable, but I should not go for that journal. So the turnaround time of publication. Then comes acceptance rate. This is very important. If you, as I told you, like in the case of Springer and all, that will ask you all your details, the topic, and then you are giving your abstract, everything, and then the journal, what type of journal, everything it is giving. There the acceptance rate, it will show. That sometimes only little that point will be there. That means it is very low. Please don't go for that. They will not accept your article very easily, and it should not be very high. That means they are accepting everybody. So it should be moderate. So see that the acceptance rate is moderate, so that you can easily publish in such the journal. Okay, so these are the things regarding the individual factors. So first is I am selecting the journal, is it really fake or real. Second thing is my individual concern, and the third thing is it should not be a predatory journal. Predatory is a fake journal. I will tell you next about what is predatory, but here you must see, you can check those fake journal when you type listofpredatoryjournal.com. It will show you all the journal name. Similarly, beallslist.net, if I type also, I will get everything. Just look at this PPT, you will understand better. So when identifying the individual factor, I have to consider these 5 points. I must check whether it is related to my topic. If I am writing marketing, then my just should select marketing journal. If I am writing related to HR, please select HR journal. Then I must see whether it is an indexed journal. And then I have to check whether the public is sometimes free, also they are publishing, but that is very rare, and how much publication fee, whether it is affordable, I have to find out. Turnaround time is how much time it will take for publication, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, I have to see. Acceptance rate, it should not be very high, it should not be very low. Moderate acceptance rate, you please accept. Then the third point is predatory journal. So that list of predatoryjournal.com, if I type in Google, it gives you lot of journals that comes under this. Then beallslist.net, beallslist.net. If I type also, I will get that Beall's, all the predatory journal name I will get. So please be very, very careful. See that you should not waste your money by publishing in that predatory journals, and later regret for having done like this. We are all educated. So now that having given you all the details, like which journal I have to select and how I have to consider my individual factor, and what is predatory journal, how you can check the predatory journal, I am very confident, friends, that you will not fall prey for the fake journals. So with this I will will wind up and meet you again tomorrow. Thank you.